Well, welcome to John's Mallow Making. Thanks for tuning in. Today I've got the U96 U boats. Here she is. She's looking beautiful. We've got 4 kits this month in pack 13. That is kit 49. Yep. So kit 52. So we have a magnet to put in place and some connectors to keep these 2 compartments together. And then the rest is for the next compartment, which is the non-commissioned officers. So we've got parts 1, 2 and 3. A lot of gluing. Anyway, without further ado, let's get on with the build. Okay, up here we have the parts. We have 2 connectors, a mounting plate, we have a magnet there to pop into place, and these are DP screws. Okay, up, those are the parts, so we'll pop them to one side because we need this connector first, and we need to pop that onto here. 1 screw there and 1 screw here. There we go. Pop that. This is 49.1, just there like so. That will go there, and like I said, 1 DP screw here and 1 here. Okay, now 2 DP screws to fit. First one just here, and the second one down here. There we go, just there. Excellent. And that there. Next we need 49.4 and 49.2. This is 49.2, this is 49.4. Let's pop the magnet into here, just like that, and then it can go onto there, like so. There we go, there's another shot for you. 1, 2, 3, 4 DP screws. There we go. Now we need to put the other connector around the back. Okie doke, we have this bracket 49.3 which fits just in here. It will fit just there like that to keep the back end of those 2 compartments together. But first of all, what we need to do is to reroute these cables here to capture them, and then we can screw it all together. So I'll hold that there like so, get that into place like that. There we go. So we need a DP screw there and 1 at the bottom. So we get the first screw in here at the top, just there like so. Excellent. And then the other one is just here. Get that one in there. There we go, excellent. Keep them cables like that. They're not trapped. Well, they are trapped, but they're not trapped. It's not a tight connection there. Brilliant, there we go. So that is kit 49 completed. Okay, now, so we have kit 50, the non-commissioned officers compartment, part 1. So we have the deck, the bunk beds, the base, supports, and we have the compressed air bottle. There we go. Not much in this kit, compared to previous kits anyway. That's just the bunk bed base, that. Okay, so we need 51, which is this piece, and 52, which is the deck. And basically this will go on to here, just like that. And we need to glue that into place. Got some glue just here. It's not a tight fit at all, this, so that will go there, just like that. So that is the bunk bed base. Excellent, so that's 51 and 52. Okay, next we need 53, which is this little piece. There's a little notch there, so that will go just there, hopefully. It's a nice tight fit there. Yeah, that needs clearing that hole there. There we go, just clear that. That should have got my excess plastic out. Like I said, the notch here, where my thumb was, and that will go just like that. There you go. It's going nice and bloody, that. Now we just need to pop some glue on that. You can actually pop the glue underneath it if you want to, then at least none of it will come through the surface. There we go, excellent. Give that a minute to set. Okay, now next we need 54, which is this support. you can see, yeah, on that side how it looks like that. That will go just there like so, and again pop some glue onto it. There we go. Get that in there, just spread it around, and I'll hold that in place. Nice and bonny. There you go, make sure that is flat like so. Brilliant. And now we'll give that a minute. Next we have the compressed air bottle, so I'll get this off the sprue and then we can glue it and pop it into place. Just a matter of popping this together. Sometimes these are a tight fit, but I won't say that is, definitely not. So we'll need some glue for this one. Okay, we've got some glue on that now. Put it here, here, here and here in 4 different places so as we don't get any gaps. There we go. Squeeze that together like so. And don't forget to take any excess plastic off when it's come off the sprue, otherwise it'll look ugly. Right, we'll give that a few seconds to set. Okay, that's glued together nicely. Now we can just pop it into them 2 holes. Excellent, just like that. And again, we can glue this from underneath. Give that a minute to set and then we can move on to the next kit. Brilliant stuff. There we go. That is the compressed air bottle in place. That's kit 50 completed. Let's move on. It's kit 51. Excellent stuff. So in kit 51 we have the addition of a supply box, a locker and several partitions which are assembled and attached to the deck along with 2 benches. Okay, now we have frame 51-1, A, B, C and D. 51-2, which is the bulkhead. Then we have the bench supports 51-3. Then we have frame E and F, which is 51-4, and frame 51-5, which is G, H, I, J and K. There's a very tiny one there. And here we have the benches 51-6 and the galley bulkhead 51-7. Okay, first thing we need is A and C off here, which is that one and that one, and we put these together and put them onto that deck. Make sure there's no excess on there. That looks fine. That will basically go onto there, I think, just like that. Right, let's get it glued together and get it on the deck. I'll just put a little bit of glue in to there and there, and then we can slide this back into place. There we go. Clamp that together like that and give that a minute. There we go. That piece goes just there, like that. So we're going to flip that over and we'll glue it from underneath. Get the glue in there. That should be enough. Excellent. Give that a minute now. Set. There we go. There's a supply box. Nicely in place. There we go. Finally focused. Next we need this piece of 51-1, which is B, and we also need F, which is that piece of frame 51-4. So we'll get that off there, like so, and we'll get this off there, like that, and we could pop these 2 together. There is what looks like a handle there, and basically that should go on top like that. Yep, that will go like that, but I do need to get this excess off here. Okay, now we can pop some glue onto here and we can drop this onto that top just there. You can see there's a little groove inside and there are 2 tabs, so that will locate itself just there so that it can't move once you've got it into position. There we go. Won't move that now. Excellent, just give that a minute to set. Right, we can pop that to one side for now because we don't need it at the moment. We need the 2 bulkheads, which are these 2, and basically we need to put these 2 together. That will obviously have to go there, to match them holes up. There we go, just like that. You don't hide all that detail, do we? There is a bit of detail there as well. Well, that looks superb, that. And we need to glue them together. Okay, no, that is now glued together. All them two pieces there, the bulkheads. Now we need, that is already loose, that. We need this piece of 51.5, which is D. That will go on there. This little piece of 51.1. Sorry, that's 51.5 J. This is D. Let's see, let's get this. There we go, that's better. Yeah, that'll fly off. And we can just trim that up, get the excess off. And then, there we go, brilliant. And now we also need E of 51.4. There we go. Now we need to pop these into place. That will go there. There's two. That's nice tight fit. I don't think we need any glue for that one, so I'll leave that one as it is actually. This one will go here. That's J. And this little piece will actually go into there, like that. That will need some glue, that. There we go, that's them three pieces onto that bulkhead. Excellent, just glue that. Okay, no, there we go. That's the bulkhead with those three components in place. That's stiff. That one's glued into place. And now this bulkhead goes just into them two slots, just like that. Now again, we can glue this from underneath. There we go. Give that a minute to set now. Okay, that should have set. Now we need to pop this little piece that we put together before into place, and it goes just here, like that. Excellent. Get that glued in. There we go. That's now fixed into place. Pop that to one side. Now we need this little piece here of 51.5. We need K as well, which is that piece. So we need K and I. This is tiny. Okay, now these two pieces, K will go here at the end of that compressed air bottle, like that. So we'll get that glued in a minute, and that little piece will go into there. So I'll get that glued in, show you in a sec. There we go. There's that little piece in place. Wasn't too difficult, to be honest. I'll just get a bit of glue on to here, and we can pop that into place just there. Keep that straight, and I'll give that a second or two to set. Next we need G and H. These two will go here. I think that, that's nice and tight, that one. And here. Get them into position like that. Get them glued in place. There we go. That's them two pieces in place. Make sure you get the orientation right of these. You see that circle there? That should be in that position there. And that door should be positioned like that. Excellent. I did have to clear the hole for the tab as well. Not the first time this month. Oh, there we go. Excellent. Okay, now pop that to one side. Now we have the benches to put together. So we'll get these off the screw. Basically that will go into there, and that one will go into there. Okay, there we go. What we need to do now is to pop that into there and that into there. Now they are a nice tight fit, but yeah, they're a bit wobbly, that one. The other one seemed to be better. Pop a bit of glue on that, pop that in there, and then yeah, that one is a little bit tighter. We'll pop the glue on anyway, and then we'll get them into position, which will be there and there. Okay, up they're set now. We can pop them into place. Just a little bit of glue onto that stand, and they've come off the sprue really nice as well. I just twisted these off. I didn't cut them off. That one. There we go. That's the benches in place. Make sure they're straight. There's any of our submariners sliding off them. Brilliant, there we go. Excellent stuff. So that is kit 51 completed. Let's move on to kit 52. Here we have kit 52. In this kit, the NCO's bunks are assembled and fixed to the deck of the compartment. Storage compartments are attached to the aft bulkhead. So we have 52.1, the aft bulkhead, fourth compartment. Then we have storage 52.2, bunk support 52.3, side bulkhead 52.4, bunk railings 52.5, 52.6 is the bunks, and 52.7 is the locker. First two things that we need is 52.4 and 52.7. They just go all together like that. It's a loose fit, so I'll get some glue onto that. There we go, that's the lockers, or locker I should say. Excellent. Next we need the bunk beds, so I'll get these off the sprue. Check these. Okay, up, they're fine. The first two can go onto here. Yeah, this will be for the upper bunks, just there like that. I'll glue them in a sec. And these two can go on to here, just like that. So I'll get them glued in. There we go, those are the bunk beds. They're nicely into place. And now we need the railings, which are these, which will go into two holes just here. Just need to push them in and hold that there for a second. They'll only go in so far. Let that dry off. Okay, up next we need 52.4 and 52.7, which is a locker on this side panel for the bunks. And the railing goes there like so. So we can get that glued into place, and then we can put the other bunk beds into place. I think that all needs clearing as well at the bottom. Yeah, there we go. That's the railings, the lockers, and that side panel all nicely in place. Now all we need to do is slide the bunks in. There's a groove at either end. There we go. Excellent. You can glue it if you want, but you don't need to. Brilliant stuff. So we can pop that to one side. All we're left with are these two pieces, which is 52.1 and 52.2. You can see some detail there and there. That looks excellent. And basically that will go turn two slots there, just like that. So we can get that glued into place. There we go, pop the glue underneath. And that is it, that is kit 52. So there we go, so that's pack 13 completed this month. Excellent stuff. So there we go guys, that's pack 13. The non-commissioned officers compartment, there we go. Looking brilliant, all easy peasy of course, just all glued into place. Yeah, excellent. Nice bit of detail though, we'll use that later. Obviously, in a later part of the build. But that is looking good. Not as much detail in this pack, but you know, it is what it is at the end of the day. It still looks fantastic anyway, but everything is correct. So that's brilliant. So we've got a door to fit on here as well. Obviously you can see where the hinges are, just here. But it's looking brilliant. Excellent stuff. Anyway, there we go. So another month for the U96. We'll have kit 14. There's 35 kits altogether, so we're not even halfway yet, but get in there. Excellent. So if you did like that, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you next month for the next pack. Thanks for tuning in and watching. Stay safe. Bye for now.